Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all are safe. Yes? Before going to the topic, you should do warm-up exercise. Be ready student? Everyone sit in a place. Sit in a place. Keep backbone straight now. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap children. Clap. Stop. 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 Okay children? Children, take out your homework book and workbook one. Chapter number 4, Addition. See? Add and choose the correct number for the sum. What you have to do, you should add this. Okay? You know now adding. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 plus 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Yes, total number of heads. How many? 27. Option B is the correct one. Yes. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 12. Yes. What is that? 12 plus 12? 24. Where it is? Option B. Sorry, A. Option is correct. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 heads. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 heads. What is that? Addition. 23 heads. Yes. Option B is the correct. Okay. Next. Here. Sum of 25 and 25. 25 plus 25. 5 plus 5. 5 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 5 after. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 like that only should write? No. 0 here. 1 carry forward. 2 plus 1. 3. 3 plus 2. 5. 50 is the answer. Where? Option A. Okay. Next. Fifth one. Which is the missing digit in? See? 45 plus 48. They given here 3. Here which number is missing? See? 8 plus 5. 8 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 8 after. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. 3 here. 1 carry forward. 4 plus 4. 8. 8 plus 1. 9. 9 is the missing number. Yes. Where it is 9? D. Option D. Understood? Next, the sum of 300 and 500. See, 300 plus 500. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 8. 5 in a mind, take 3 fingers. 5 after. 6, 7, 8. 800. Where it is? Option D. Okay. Next. Seventh one. Fill in the blanks. 22 plus 38. 38 plus 22. Yes. Next. Regroup. Eighth one. We regroup the sum if the sum of the digit is equal to or more than 10. If 10 is there, we can regroup. Yes or no? While adding two numbers, always start from the dash place. Which place will start? Which place will start? This is ones place, this is tens place. Yes, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Always will start from ones place. Yes, ones place we will start. Okay. Next. Should we regroup if the sum of the digit is 9? No. 9 is a single digit. We can't regroup. Yes? We can regroup? No, we can't regroup. Because 9 is a single digit number. No. 11th one. What is the sum of 78 plus 0? 78 only. 16 plus 13 is equal to 13 plus 16 is equal to 29. What property does this addition statement show? Commutative property. Commutative property. Next, 13th one. Add vertically. You should add vertically. Okay. See? What is that question? Sorry. First see the question. 28 and 18. A1. Should draw the column first. Ones, tens. 28 plus 18. 8 in the mind, take 8 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 means what? 6 here, 1 carry forward. Here, 2 in the mind, take 1 finger. 2 after 3. 3 in the mind, take 1 finger. 3 after 4. 46 is the answer. Next B. What is that question? 14 and 16. Ones, tens. 14 plus 16. 6 in a mind, take 4 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 here, 1 carry forward. 1 in a mind, take 1 finger. 1 after 2. 2 in a mind, take 1 finger. 2 after 3. 30 is the answer. Okay. Next. So all using vertical addition. See, they given here blocks. Yes. These blocks you should add and you should write the vertical sum you should do. Okay. You should practice this all, children. Listen carefully. Here, how many hundreds here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hundreds. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. How many ones? 1 ones. 441. Okay. Here. How many hundreds? 3 hundreds. How many tens? No. 0 tens. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Okay. 14th one. Should use like this. See? How many hundreds? Ones, tens, hundreds. How many hundreds here? 4 hundreds. How many tens? 4 tens. How many ones? 1 ones. Next. Plus. How many hundreds? 3 hundreds. How many tens? 0 tens. How many ones? 4 ones. 4 plus 1. 5. 0 plus 4. 4. 4 plus 3. 4 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 745 is the answer. Understood? Applications. There are 11 cows on a farm. The owner moves 19 more cows to the farm. How many cows are there in the farm? What you have to do? Addition you should do. See? Should draw first. Place value chart. How many cows are there first? 11 cows. Again, how many cows is moved? 19. You should add this 2. Yes, 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 30 cows. Yes. So, there are 30 cows on the farm. Okay? Right. Practice. Next, what is that? Team A scored see children, Team A scored 413 runs in the first innings. Team B scored 222 runs. How many runs did they score in all? 16th one. Ones, tens, hundreds. See, Team A scored 413. Team B scored 222. What is the total? 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 2, 6. 635 is the answer. So, Team A and Team B scored 635 runs in all. Okay, 17th one. A parking lot had 215 cars parked. Another parking lot had 214 cars. How many cars were parked in both the parking lot? Ones, tens, hundreds. First, how many cars are parked? See, 215. Again, 214 cars. Total number of cars, how many? 5 plus 4. 5 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 429. 429 cars were parked in the parked in See, short answer question, higher order thinking skill. Given 46 plus 45 is equal to 91. Frame a question. You should frame the question. Okay. You can frame your own, anything you can frame. Okay. There are 46 students in a class A and 45 students in a class B. How many students are there in a all? You can do like that. Otherwise, there are 46 apples in a basket A. There are and basket B 45 apples. How many apples altogether? You can do like that also. Any question you can form. Okay. Form one question. You can do your own also. I will give some own sums you should do, children. Okay. See, 18th one I will write. There are 46 students in class A and 45 students in class B. How many students are there in all? Okay, this is, you should form the question like this. Okay. Next, you should do these sums. You should practice this. Tomorrow I will give. Extra sums I will give tomorrow.